Good morning, Ma'am. I'm Valentin Legaspi, a caregiver from NACA Academy. May I know your name, please? Okay, Ma'am, it's correct. Today, I'm going to take your blood pressure and pulse rate. But before that, can I ask you some questions?
Okay.
Did you do any activities or exercise 15 to 30 minutes before?
No.
Did you drink coffee or tea?
No.
Did you drink alcohol?
No.
Did you smoke?
No.
Did you take any medication this morning?
No.
Have you had any surgery before?
No.
Do you know your usual blood pressure, Ma'am?
It's 120/80.
Ma'am? In which arm you prefer me to take your blood pressure, Ma'am?
Left arm, please.
Okay, Ma'am, your hand is good, no cut, no wounds. Please sit properly, relax, and don't cross your legs. This is the 40% of your arm circumference. Okay, Ma'am, your blood pressure is 120/80. Now I'm going to take your pulse rate, Ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, Ma'am, your pulse rate is 77 beats per minute.